anchor bolts, okay, around the exterior perimeter of the structure. And again, I'm going to premise some of these videos because I'm taking the battery to the end. I can't recharge out here. But the anchor bolts go around the perimeter sill plate, mud plate, if you will. Sole plate for slab, sill plate for pier and beam, mud plate for everybody. And this home was anchored with traditional anchor bolts, which I appreciate because the tradespeople don't get so confused by those. And they're only on the exterior. Around the interior of the home, it's okay to nail these. Okay, they shoot them. You know, they're power nails. But on the interior walls, that's fine. The exterior walls require anchor bolts, and we've got those. You should have an anchor bolt on every piece of wood, no fewer than 2 anchor bolts. Now you got a little piece of wood right here. How are you going to have 2 anchor bolts? No. And it should be within 12 inches, and I can't see. No further apart than 6 feet. We should have one right here, in my opinion. And see all this green? That's a boride treatment. That's a preventative treatment for wood-destroying insects for termites. See how we have all this boride treatment over here and here and here and here? Alright, where's our boride here? Okay. Bedroom number 4 does not have a boride treatment on the window studs. That's number 4. No boride treatment on the window studs. Oh, let's keep looking. What are we really looking for, bud? Oh, we're looking for anchor bolts. Okay. Got one within 12 inches here. I don't see one. Supposed to have 2 on every board. Okay. There. We should have had anchor bolts on both sides of bedroom number 4's windows. The anchor bolts are supposed to be in the middle third, and you're supposed to have no fewer than 2. Now, it's 12 inches from each end, but you're not supposed to have less than 2 bolts, and they're supposed to be in the middle third. Inches. Got a bolt on that? Yeah, you do. Six feet. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Looking good. Coming on down. That's close. Is that the middle third? That doesn't look like the middle third to me. Does it look like the middle third to you? Right here in the service bed doesn't look like the middle third to me. Moving on along. And that board's split right there. Look at that. It's not the middle third. split mud plate in number 3's bathroom south wall. Supposed to have no fewer than 12 inches from the end. Oh, there you are. Is that in the middle third? Doesn't look like it's in the middle third to me. Everybody should have as much fun as I do on the job. Is that the middle third? Look at that. And these are easy to fix, dear client. They drill a hole, they put a special poly in there, they drop another bolt in, they bolt it in, they fix it in just a matter of moments. Now, there's going to be a few of these to do. Got within 12 inches. Oh, that's cutting it close. But we don't have one here. There's going to be quite a few of them. Okay, within 6 feet, right? I'll put one right here. Okay. I'm glad they named these for us. Now my questions are answered. Number 2. No jokes. Okay, this is a bathtub. Where's our boride? We're putting it on all the interior walls and putting it in the closet. Where's our boride on number 2? Let me go back here. I know it's anchor bolts. I know we're going to run out of battery. Look at this. On all the bathtubs. What happened is that they didn't frame around the bathtubs. I know what happened. They didn't frame around the bathtubs, so they had to install the bathtubs. And then they didn't bother to install the boride. I'm getting it now. And this is from our sponsor. Just a little bit of boride. No, we want boride. Okay. Moving on along. Was I in here already? Close. I don't see 2 bolts.